Concurrent lines. 3 or more than 3 lines are said to be concurrent if they intersect at a single point. When 2 or more lines pass through a single point, they are concurrent with each other. They are called concurrent lines, and the point is called point of concurrency. As shown here, O is the point and so many lines pass through O, or we can say that these lines are intersecting at O. When 2 or more lines intersect, we call these lines as concurrent lines and not the intersecting lines. When 2 lines intersect, we call them intersecting lines, but when more than 2 lines intersect or pass through a same point, they are called concurrent lines and the point is called point of concurrency. Here, AB line, PQ line, EF line, CD line and SR line, they are all passing through O. Instead of saying that these lines are intersecting at O, we say that these lines are passing through the same point, say O. Then these lines are called concurrent lines. And this point O, the common point O, is called point of concurrency. Intersecting lines. 2 lines having a common point are known as intersecting lines. The common point is known as the point of intersection. So whenever 2 lines intersect, lines are called intersecting lines and the common point of these lines is called point of intersection. And there is a note, when 2 lines intersect, then lines are called intersecting lines. But when more than 2 lines intersect, then they are called concurrent lines and not the intersecting lines. Like in this case, these lines are intersecting at this point O, but these are more than 2. If lines are more than 2, we call them as concurrent lines. Lines passing through same point are called concurrent lines and the point is called point of concurrency. But when 2 lines intersect, we call them as intersecting lines and the common point is called point of intersection.